Evening, everybody. It's Sunday night, the 25th, and this is your Sunday evening weekly update on the gold and on the futures ahead of tomorrow's open. Of course, I'll be back first thing in the morning to give you a better look, but as of tonight, there's really not much going on. As you can see, the gold is just hanging right in here around that 1801 area. I will point out that the open interest was on a rise all of last week, as was the volume, and that tends to be some accumulation as long as the price remains, well off the lows, which it did all week. I think that we're still set up to move higher. There is a little bit of a trend line here coming off the last couple of weeks, and we need to get above that trend line, which tomorrow would be around the 1818 area. And as I've been saying for the last couple of days, we need to see a close above 1815 in order to start us going on another leg up probably to the 1850, 1860 area. As far as the other futures, the oil is up 23 cents, and after last week's big reversal off Monday's low, and Tuesday's hitting 65, we've worked our way all the way back to 72 and a quarter, 72.28 the last, and the moving averages continue to move higher. We did bounce solidly right off that 100-day MA. Aside from that, the only thing that has really moved tonight is Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see, the stock futures are not doing much of anything, up 50 cents, up 450, down 2. I mean, these are single trades, and you have to remember that at this hour the commodities have a little bit more volume than the stock trades. We have the bonds doing absolutely nothing, up one tick after closing pretty close to the lows of the week. I'll just give you a quick look at that. After this giant spike that we had on Monday and Tuesday, we finished the week pretty much unchanged, or barely unchanged. Let me just see. We were actually up 7.30 seconds after being up about $3. So not much action there. As it relates, as I said, to the Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin is up 2,270 right now. If you look at that, we had a really nice reversal during the week. This was 28.8. Last week's low was 29,215, and we are back above 34,000, 34,500 is the last, 34,540. We do also have another downtrend line comes right through there, and clearly we would have to have a weekly close over 37,325 in order to see this as a consolidation along this very important 30,000 line. Excuse me. If you look at the chart in my charts with comments in the body of the letter, you'll see that I think we're probably going to see that. Also, here's the Ethereum, which is what I have a position in. We've sold all of our GBTC. I continue to like Ethereum better, very specifically because of the fact that it is much more useful. It's open source. People build on it. The entire net fungible tokens business is based on Ethereum. So for that reason, I like it better. It also did not have the same kind of decline So we'll see. Right now, as I said, we're 21,600 and change. That is up almost 7% tonight. And we need a close over 2376 in order to negate all of this as distribution. All right, everyone, that's about it. Have a good evening, and I'll be back first thing in the morning tomorrow.